See?
Hey, anybody hungry? Let's get this first pot out, eh?
Yeah.
The bad size North Territory muddy.
Come with us, guys, as we try to catch some mudcrabs for Les's 80th birthday.
Here we go. Time to go and get a feed of mudcrabs. You reckon drop a pot?
I reckon around here something.
Alright, we're going to go pot number 2. Pot number 3.
Here.
What do you think, mate?
Yeah, there's a lot of water numbers around there, so.
Happy to go here?
Yep, sounds alright.
Chance of barra today, Les?
Oh, we hope so, mate.
I hope so. What do you got, bud?
I don't know.
What is he?
Don't know, he's good fighting now.
Hang on. Oh, we've got lines going everywhere here.
Yeah.
I'm on too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I can't get him in. What is he? A little trevally, is he? No, little. Right.
Yep. We're on.
Yes, Tom?
Yep. Got him.
Good one, or
Oh, I think he's only a little fella.
how come you're getting them? and I'm
Not real big.
I'm getting them.
And
Where'd you get this on?
there's nothing to see here.
Such as life.
Bloody catfish king. What a beautiful day, huh?
Look there, it starts to go now again.
Look at this.
Just sucking on it gently.
Look at this.
Catfish.
A mirror day. Fishing in the NT. Hopefully the mudcrabs are in the mudcrab pots. Hey,
Go.
pot number 2. Get the 80-year-old to pull the pots up. Oh, that pot's been crunched. See how squashed up it is?
There.
Yeah, so a croc's grabbed hold of it. Okay, we've got one pot with a giant big hole in it from where a croc's rolled it out. Let's hope we get luckier with this next pot.
Oh, yeah. Right. Well, I'll just. Fuck, that was heavy. Oh, it still is.
Heavy with mudcrabs, hopefully.
Trying to shine a light on those baby eyes. In a dinghy, got no paddle on a ten.
Hey, get it in.
Oh, for fuck's sake, put it back.
Such as life.
Oh, did you see that? That giant big mudcrab. He was underneath, and when we got him up the top, he fell off.
Yeah, I'm thinking time to try another creek system.
A little one.
That one, eh?
Baby one.
Alright, so we better get this little guy out of here. There he is. There you go. He's a bit small. Another little male.
Yeah.
Hey, he's had a bit of a dust up there. There he is. Little muddy. Righto, little muddy. Let's let you go, eh?
Right, big next one.
Bye, buddy.
Go on.
Yeah.
See you. Fly.
Where's he? Ready?
Oh, they catch it. Oh, they know. Fucking hell.
How cool is that?
That's fantastic.
What better way to celebrate Les's 80th birthday than to bring him out and catch a few mudcrabs?
Hey, there's a
one
big
there.
guy.
Hey, this is a red Rambo.
Alright.
Is it a
Good
male
job.
or female?
That's a big male.
Okay.
And he's, see his V there?
Yeah.
If it was a female, that would be U-shaped.
Yeah.
Big guy. Nice size crab. Big full nippers on him.
Brown mud crab from Western Australia, I reckon. Migrated up to the territory.
They'd probably say, we know each other.
Good job, mate. That's a good sized buck. Wow. Yeah, that's it's more like it, eh? We definitely do not have to measure that. Look at the size of that guy.
Want to measure him? Make sure he's up.
Look at the size of that big boy. He's strong. Holy. Look at the size of that. That's a big crab.
There's the back of that hillside. How do you reckon
Big
you
guy.
let go?
Big boy. Hey, good. What do you reckon, Les?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, come on. 2 damaged pots from the crocs. One with a giant big rusty buck sitting underneath the pot instead of in it.
Had him hooked in the two when I said. Spines it?
Yeah, he's a little fella. Little croc, just see. Hey,
One
got a
tiny little crab.
little rock crab.
No mud?
No, Marty.
Time to go.
Croxty.
Alright, cook him up.
He's had his head in there.
He's been euthanized. Now,
He's in
He's
here
in
for
about
about
20
20
minutes.
minutes.
bring him to the boil.
Alrighty.
Maybe 15 minutes. We have a yummy mud crab. Crab number 2. Alright. Gonna eat him up. Musty.